Could Taiwan Semiconductor reach a $1 trillion market cap by 2030? Now that's a question that's been causing quite a stir in the tech world lately. The semiconductor industry is a game of giants, and among them, Taiwan Semiconductor, or TSMC, stands tall. As the world's largest contract chip manufacturer, this company has a staggering market cap of $536 billion. But could it possibly double its worth by 2030? Based in Taiwan, TSMC has stretched its influence far and wide, with significant investments in the US, including a chip plant in Arizona. Despite initial hiccups, this facility promises to supplement the supply of these indispensable chips. TSMC's success is not an accident. It's a result of their best-in-class technology, which has attracted some of the biggest names in the industry, like Apple, Nvidia, and AMD. These companies prefer to entrust their business to a neutral third party like TSMC rather than their direct competitors, Samsung and Intel. In the technology race, TSMC, alongside Samsung, has outpaced Intel. With the production of 3nm chips already in full swing and 2nm products slated for 2025, TSMC promises a revenue escalator every couple of years. There's even chatter about a 1.4nm chip in the pipeline. With upgraded chips and an insatiable demand for technology, TSMC is set to soar over the next decade. But will this trajectory land them at the coveted $1 trillion valuation? Despite a peak market cap of nearly $730 billion in early 2022, TSMC experienced a downturn as the demand for chips subsided later that year. This downturn has lingered into 2023, but TSMC management believes the worst is over, with Wall Street projecting a 20% revenue growth in 2024 and earnings per share of $6.12. TSMC is poised for a strong comeback. The stock, currently trading at a 29% discount to the market, looks fairly priced from a historical perspective. Yet, this valuation may not fully reflect the company's true worth. Should TSMC meet analyst projections for 2024 and trade at an earnings multiple of 22, it could boast a market cap of nearly $700 billion. And if TSMC continues growing its earnings at a 12% pace for 5 years, it could be worth a whopping $1.23 trillion by 2030. So, could Taiwan Semiconductor reach a $1 trillion market cap by 2030? It certainly seems plausible. With its cutting-edge technology, large clientele, and predicted growth, TSMC could very well be on track to hit this milestone. It is indeed a promising investment for the next 5 to 10 years.